Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games launcher not opening. So what you can do is click here on the Windows button and then type in virus and threat protection. You will see here, click on it. It will open settings. Now scroll down just a bit and select manage settings. Now what you have to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. Here you'll be able to see exclusions. Select add or remove exclusions. Here, select add an exclusion, select folder. It will open your file explorer. Then go to this PC and you have to navigate to the folder where you have installed the Rockstar Games launcher. So in my case, I have to go to the local disk C and then I will go to program files 86. Here I'll be able to navigate to the R section. Here is my Rockstar Games launcher and I will click on select folder. Now the folder has been included in the exclusions. Now try opening the Rockstar Games launcher once again and your problem will be fixed. And that's simply how you can fix Rockstar Games launcher not opening problem. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.